How about now?
Here's the recording.
If this is print, oh my god, how about now?
He over here talking about how about now. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all so much. Don't forget about the merch. Alright. Target Designs, help the channel out. Hey, videos are coming out daily, 6 a.m. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get all notifications. Alright. We're doing a lot of great things over here. This video is gonna be about the G35 bumper. Part 4, apparently, because I can never finish it. Reason is these cracks. Alright, so figured out what I think is a solution. We're gonna go ahead and load fuser it. Hopefully tomorrow come back, clean it up, start running the Bondo, and it'll be great. Alright, so thank y'all for coming back. Appreciate it so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, jump on over, hit that share button, throw it on your timeline, your Facebook, Instagram, Snap, whatever you have. All right, help me out, get these views up. Appreciate it so much. And again, the merch. Hats, 15, shirts, 15. You do a bundle, I'll probably do 25, free shipping. All right, so appreciate it. All right, mix up a little bit of load fuser. I'm gonna put in this piece over here that's coming apart, rivet it, fill this in a little bit. Already has a rivet that's there, but I'm gonna pop another one close to it. Then I'll mix some more and run the top. Hope you guys are learning something from this. It's Fuser 147. This one gives you about 5 minutes of work time. The other ones, if you do your research on them, you can go from half an hour work time to 30 seconds. The 30-second one, I tried it, don't. That thing will harden on you in an instant. You can use plexiglass, cardboard, or whatever have you, but I use these multi-layer mixing boards. When I get done, I just rip the used sheet off, put it in the trash, have a fresh sheet right under it. Alright, so because of how the tension is on here, I'm only going to do probably 1 foot sections at a time. Work my way around. So that way it doesn't dry on me. I can catch any little mistake, stuff like that. So let me try and finish this and come back tomorrow, finish it. Last night, put about 20 screws in this joker. This rivet's short, I didn't buy the 1-inch ones like I usually do, and left it overnight. Let's test it. You guys get to watch. All right, fingers crossed.
Avocado no.
Avocado no. And it's holding. Now my shoulder hurt. Oh, what? Alright, so you guys can see it's on there. I'm gonna take the screws out, sand the edge down, flush for the rest of the bumper. More Lord Fuser, and wait for my homeboy who likes to swim to come bond with.
Yeah, Lance.
Yeah, I'm talking shit.
Yeah, Lance.
All right, so hey, let me get to work.
You go, Lance.
So we got two projects going on at the same time here. G35 rear bumper, Jeremiah doing his. And we got two cameras rolling, trying to get content for you guys. So hope y'all appreciate it. Hey, a little unexpected. We got about 8 ounces of primer left. We can't put it back in the can, so I'm gonna hit this with 320 real quick, and we're just gonna hit the top half with primer. All right, well that's it.
Like a Ferrari bumper?
Looks like a Ferrari bumper.
Yeah, Ferrari. The Lamborghini.
Not just get the badge, put it right in the middle of it.
I could get a badge custom made, says Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. All right, well, unexpectedly, hey, props to this man. We did the Scion TC bumper, and we had like 8 ounces of primer left. We didn't want to throw it away, couldn't put it back in the can. So we went ahead and hit this baby up. All right, so I'm gonna call that the end of G35 bumper part 4. All right, give y'all something to watch. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please come back. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that like button, and over here in the corner, you know what I'm saying, that share, that circle arrow looking thing, just go ahead and hit it and throw it on your timeline. Help me out. Appreciate y'all. Have a good day. It's the end of my Sunday grind.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a